Hey Ben, just wanted to give you a quick look here of where the final battle during Spider-Man Far From Home took place. Of course, that's Tower Bridge right there. Up here is where Quentin Beck and all, aka Mysterio, controlled the cloud monster and everything, which were projected by the Stark drones. A lot of the battle took off in this area here with the big cloud, and this is where Quentin and Peter Parker, aka Spider-Man, had their final battle right there. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention where my finger was. And they repaired it pretty well. The Tower Bridge and everything from all the fighting and everything like that. And over here is the Shard, this tall building right here. That's where Nick Fury and Maria Hill, aka the Skrulls, were stationed watching it, and Nick Fury shot the missile and took care of what they needed to do. And right along over here was where Happy landed the Stark jet, and it was blown up when they tried to rescue the kids from the bridge over here. So cleaned it up pretty well after a few years, so it's like nothing ever happened. And we all know how Spider-Man saved the day. And Quentin Beck was a fucking liar. Okay, love you, man. Bye.